Hello everyone, welcome back to RAAHA VLSI. In this video, we are going to discuss about another job opportunity, which is from Excel VLSI. Okay, so the company called Excel VLSI is hiring for this particular job opportunity. Now the position is for DV trained freshers. Okay, DV design verification trained freshers. So this is a VLSI based job opportunity. Now let us see what is the eligibility criteria for this particular job. Okay, you should have completed your BE or BTech with a specialization of ECE or Triple E, or you should have completed your MTech. Okay, if it is MTech, you should have completed it in specialization of double E or VLSI. Now they have mentioned like the minimum percentage should be 70 percentage. You should have 70 percentage minimum it is, or 7.0 CGPA you should have. This is the minimum you should have. Now the year of passed out, so 2021 graduates can apply, 2022, 2023, only these three graduates can apply for this position. Okay, they have mentioned only 21, 22, 23, 24 and 20, 2019, all these people can just ignore this job opportunity. This is only for 2021, 2022, 2023 people can apply. And the another eligibility criteria is must be trained in design verification. So you should have completed your design verification course. Okay, you should have completed your design verification training. Only for trained freshers this are eligible for this opportunity, and the job location is Bangalore. Okay, if you are got selected, you are going to work in the Bangalore location. If you got selected, they have mentioned like you should be able to join within 15 days. Okay, within 15 days you should be able to join the office. Now this is your eligibility criteria. Now after applying, what will be the rounds of interview, let us discuss. Okay, you will be having two rounds. First round will be your written test. After that, the second round will be your face to face interview. So this will be mostly technical. Now what are the topics that we need to prepare for this particular job opportunity? Now let us discuss that. Okay, topics to prepare. Now as this is design verification, so first of all, you should prepare on digital, right? Digital electronics, for sure you have to prepare. I have to prepare on digital electronics, and you have to prepare on Verilog, right? So Verilog and system Verilog SV, you have to prepare on SV, and you have to prepare on UVM. You have to prepare on all these three, all these four topics you have to prepare. Okay, digital fundamentals, Verilog, system Verilog, and UVM. In your written test also, you'll be getting questions only on these concepts only. Okay, in your written test also, you'll be getting questions on digital Verilog, SV, UVM, and your face-to-face interview also you may be facing the technical questions only. Okay, these topics you have to prepare well for this particular job opportunity. Now they have mentioned some guidelines for this. Okay, guidelines, as this is a walk-in drive. Okay, this is a walk-in drive, so no need to apply for this position. If you are interested in this opportunity, you can directly attend the walk-in drive in their office. Okay, and the location of the office and the reporting time, everything we have mentioned in the video description. You can check the venue of the drive, and the time you can check in the description below. So what are the guidelines to attend here? If you see, guidelines for the test is, in order to write the test, candidates need to carry own laptop. Okay, you have to take your own laptop, like pen, paper, whatever you are going to use. You have to carry your own things like laptop, pen, paper, everything you have to carry by your own. And you have to carry one hard copy of your resume also. Okay, resume you have to carry with you, and you have to any one ID proof. Okay, any one ID proof you have to carry along with you. Okay, these are the guidelines. Okay, these are the guidelines to attend that drive, and these are the topics that you have to prepare. This is the eligibility criteria, and these are the rounds. Only two rounds you will be having. This will be your walk-in drive. Now when you will be having this walk-in drive is on 20. Okay, let me write the date over here. Okay, on 20 July, 20 July 2024. Okay, this is the date. Okay, on 20 July 2024 you will be having this drive. So mostly it will be on Saturday. Okay, Saturday you can attend this drive, walk-in drive, if you are interested. No need to apply, you can just directly attend the drive to their office location, and the location we have mentioned in the description, video description. You can go through and you can attend if you are interested. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. We'll see you in the next video with a next new opportunity. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Thanks for watching.